Hey guys, what's up? I have over here 2006 Volkswagen Passat 3.6 4Motion engine. I have this weird noise from the engine. I already changed the camshaft solenoids, which are, this is just a part of it, which are these guys. I changed them with the brand new ones. I still have kind of tapping noise from the engine. I don't know what's going on. I'll just start it up for you. The sound is coming somewhere from the chain area. I have no idea what's going on. If any of you have any idea what's going on, please